In a world full of masks and manipulation, toxic people feed on kindness, twist your emotions, and drain your peace. But Machiavelli, the master of human nature, left behind a series of cold, dark laws not to make you cruel, but to make you untouchable. These are not rules for the weak. These are the 7 dark laws Machiavelli taught for those who want to silence toxic energy and reclaim control. Law 1. Never argue with the unworthy. Machiavelli wrote that reasoning with fools gives them power. Toxic people crave your reaction. Your silence is your dominance. The wise man does not debate the delusional, he observes and withdraws. Law 2. Hide your intentions. Toxic people survive on information. The more they know, the deeper they can wound you. Machiavelli taught, conceal your thoughts like a king behind closed gates. Speak less. Let your actions speak louder. Law 3. Use distance as a weapon. Absence breaks the control toxic people crave. Every step away weakens their grip. Machiavelli believed that power grows in silence. When they can't read your next move, they lose their hold. Law 4. Mirror their mind, then break it. Learn how they think, reflect their tone. Let them feel safe, then reveal their manipulation with precision. The most dangerous weapon against toxicity is understanding. As Machiavelli said, the fox sees the trap, the lion destroys it. Law 5. Never seek validation. Toxic people want to make you question your worth. Machiavelli warned that dependence is a form of slavery. When your peace no longer depends on their approval, you become free and terrifyingly powerful. Law 6. Turn betrayal into fuel. Every wound they cause reveals their weakness. Machiavelli taught that enemies are better teachers than friends. Learn their tactics. Use them as fuel. Rise higher, colder, wiser, and touchable. Law 7. Control the game. Never be a piece. Toxic people love to pull strings. Machiavelli's final law reminds us, only fools become pawns. Watch the board, move in silence, know your worth, and never play the game they set for you. Remember, these laws are not about hate, they're about mastery. You cannot heal in the same space that poisoned you. Walk away not with anger, but with understanding. Machiavelli didn't teach cruelty, he taught control. Apply these 7 laws and watch the toxic fall silent in your presence. End screen quote. Silence is not weakness, it's strategy. Machiavelli.